The first thing is to remove the seat. So there's a 13mm and a 15mm bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Take those out. The first thing you have to do though is remove these plastic covers. You have to kind of lift up a little bit and then pretty much just slide them back. You might have to wiggle it back and forth to get it out. And then of course disconnect the connections before you take the seat out. And I went ahead and disconnected the negative on the battery. Once you have the seat out, these are pretty much all the tools you'll need to do the job. So this is the seat here. There's the back of the seat. And the first instruction is to remove the split plastic sleeve spacers. It'll actually be one in there and one right here, or here, and you remove those. This is the flexible shaft, and then this is basically where the gears are going to be for the rear motor, if you wanted to replace that. So basically there's this piece that was right here. There was a pin. You can just punch it out using a wedge or a flathead screwdriver like I did, and it should come out fairly simply. And then I also used a needle nose once it started to come out of the way. This will come off, and then there's 4 screws that you need to unscrew, like that. The easiest that I found is to use a small wrench. It is very tight back there, but you'll be able to get it out. And once you have all the 4 screws removed, the heads will be on this side. You'll split this case, and then inside will be the worm gear, and then the main gear itself. And there's also a spacer. Make sure not to drop that. And then that's pretty much it for taking it apart. This is the assembly that would have came out of this piece right here, like this. And then later step is you do need to cut it, so I went ahead and cut it, and you can see gears missing a couple teeth. Yeah, so at that point you can pretty much just continue with the rest of the steps. The only thing I would recommend is watch out for the shaft rear thrust disc. That can fall down in the cracks once you disassemble this gear case. Something else I would recommend is using grease for the reassembly. Just keep it lubricated, and also to hold that shaft rear thrust disc in place when you're reassembling. So you reassemble, put it back the way that you took it off, put the covers back on, and you should be good.